What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the call waiting not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, open phone app. Now tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now in settings, tap on calling accounts and then tap on call waiting. Now from here, turn off call waiting button and then turn it back on, and after turning it again, the call waiting issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then swipe this white circle downward, and when this circle gets green, you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like call waiting issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that tap on next. So when you will tap on next, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting your network settings, the call waiting issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Now tap on about phone, and from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if the software is not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software, the call waiting issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the call waiting issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.